Hi there, students. The other day in the live stream, we had this word tween. Okay, so tween. And looking at it more, there's also the phrase a tweenager. Okay, a tween is a child between maybe 8 and 13 years old, maybe between 10 and 14. Yeah. So they are between. And I think this word tween is a clipping of the word between. Yeah. They're too old to be a child, but they're too young to be a teenager. So they're between. And these are the tweens. Apparently, this phrase is used particularly for young girls in this range. So a tween, a pre-teenager, yeah, an adolescent, a pre-adolescent. Yeah, they're between young childhood and adolescence. This was also making me think of the phrase a teeny bopper. Yeah, these were tween fans of groups, of pop groups, particularly between the ages of 8 and 13. So they're pre-teens. Yeah, normally teeny means very, very, very small, but a tween. So it sounds like a teen, but it's different. Okay, so this TV show is made for tweens. Yeah, it's made for tweenagers. Yeah. Do you remember how weird life was when you were in your tweens? You understood some adult things, but there were still many of them that you didn't quite get. Okay, so a tween, somebody of this age, yeah, somebody between the two. Yeah, well, I'm certainly glad I'm not a tween anymore. Yeah. This shop caters for tween clothing, for tween clothes. Yeah. This is something that is really popular among tweens. Yeah. What would be the best gift for a tween boy? Okay, so tween, it's just talking about an age group between 8 and 12, 8 and 13, something like that. As to formality, I think a tweenager. I think I'm going to give it 5 in formality. I think you maybe 4.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. Use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing. I'm a little worried about it in a very formal sense. I also get the feeling that this is quite a new word, something that's been fairly recently accepted or incorporated into the language, but I might be wrong. Well, we will see. The idea of tween for between has been around forever. But as a tween, as in a tweenager, I think that's a much more modern usage of it. Okay, so a tween, between middle childhood and adolescence, particularly for girls. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tween.